Okay, this video is going to be talking about entering an order to buy and sell on a breakout. Now, we want to talk about how to identify these breakouts and looking for before, and then later on we can see those opportunities happen. There was already a breakout on the Swiss franc, but I'm just going to kind of give you some indications of how to identify it and then how to place these orders and then look for future opportunities. You can see right here on this trend line here on the bottom, you can see that there's really strong swing points. We have a low, a higher low, and a higher low, and it was breaking this trend. Then we started creating a high and a lower high. So the breakout would have happened right here at the close of this candlestick, and you can see it broke down very quickly. So the actual command that you would use in this scenario is a sell start. Okay, and then I want you to understand and imagine, and we're going to talk about other opportunities that already are happening and what's going to happen and things that you can look for. But here, let's say that the market was right around this range and you saw the market in this consolidation right here, but you do have reference of this support level here and here. And so when you draw this line, what you're looking for is a break and a close beyond this pattern here. Okay. Also, we could look for a breakout of this high. You can see that the price never broke this high. So the breakout trade that you're looking for in this case scenario is a sell start command. In this case scenario, if the market did decide to come upwards and break through the top, this would be your buy start command. But the time period that you're recognizing this breakout is going to be happening between when you see and recognize there's a high and then came back up here and then pushed back down. So once the market came down like this, then you can identify that this would be a great buy start opportunity if the market did break the high. On the bottom side, this is what did happen, and this was a great sell opportunity, is the break of this low, which was a sell start command, and broke down and broke out. Now it's consolidating. What we can do now is look for smaller opportunities. The market may come back up and then push back down, but you can see it's consolidating. Volume is low. So we could see there may be a breakout here. This may be a sell start opportunity. So if the market decides to break lower than what it's creating, let's say that it does create a swing point that the market does come up this way, then we can identify that this is support. And later on use the sell start command, and when the market wants to decide to break this low in this price, then we can take advantage of that opportunity. Looking at the euro dollar, it's pretty much the exact opposite. We can see that we had a trend line on the top like so, and there was a breakout trade right around in this area here, and this would have been your buy start command. Okay, and then what you're looking for on the bottom here was the sell start command. Now if the market decided to break the low and that price on the bottom, then we will look for that sell opportunity, which it didn't. Maybe in the future it may. Maybe in the future this sell start may be valid, and maybe later on we can see a pattern where it comes back down and then decides to break this low here. Then we can see that would be a great sell opportunity, and that's pretty much how you enter the orders of the breakout trades. Here we can look at another pair. Okay, let's look at the pound dollar here. This is a great example actually. This situation right now, it's just recently broken out of a huge consolidation. Look how long it's been consolidating between this point, and it's been a pretty big range. And so this market's kind of hovering here, but you could enter at this candlestick right here with a breakout candle, or where it may retest, or if it signifies that this is a high, then we can later on, if we want to just test waters out, we can put a buy start command right here. The bigger the picture, the bigger the breakout is typically the idea. So for instance, you can see multiple opportunities that you can take advantage of. Like right here, for instance, you can see the market has consolidated right here. You're not sure where the market's going to go. You can see that there was an established low right here, and there was an established high. And let's say that this was a time period that you were wanting to trade, but you didn't see any opportunity. So you have a sell start right here, and a buy start command on the top. And you can also establish your stop loss and your take profits. But the idea of this command is to look for the breakout. And so looking at a sell start scenario, it would actually enter on this candlestick right here because it decided to break this low right here. And you can see there was a breakout. Okay, and on a 4-hour standpoint, we had 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours. So you had more than 24 hours or longer to take advantage of this trade and be able to close out your position or basically protect your positions and things of that nature. Okay, and again here you can see there was a consolidation and then it broke upwards really heavily. But usually, again, this was a smaller consolidation. Let's look at the bigger picture. This is a pretty big consolidation. We have a high and low, high and low. And so this breakout may actually go for a while, okay, versus this smaller consolidation. It went very quick and very short term. Whereas this is a huge consolidation. This may trade upwards for quite some time. So those are some ideas about the breakout trades and how to enter them and how to take advantage of them.